The way we live and work has changed over the years. This is due to globalisation, organisational downsizing, employees' preference to work from home, and rapid increases in information and communications technology. New businesses, industries, and jobs are emerging while some jobs are disappearing. The concept of a job for life no longer exists. Welcome to the course, Foundations of Career Development. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. Individuals are changing their careers 7 to 10 times throughout their lives, with many jobs in between. Our career journey is a lifelong process, starting in childhood when we have ideas about what we want to do when we grow up. My daughter, as a young girl, wanted to be a rainbow. She's a secondary school teacher who brings light to her work. At school and university, we are more serious about our occupations. To adults, when we aim to consolidate our careers and seek promotion, and mature adults who want to downsize their work commitments as they move to the next stage of life. As career coaches, we need to understand the goals of our clients and the current environment to assist clients in navigating this dynamic and making informed career decisions that impact their work and life. The course aims to apply knowledge and micro skills in career counselling and career coaching in the changing nature of life, learning and work. To be an effective coach, career development practitioner, you need both. Good luck with your studies and applying the content to your work.